My name is Travis Cardona. My mob's Malak Malak from the Northern Territory. I work for the National Institute of Dramatic Art as the Director of First Nations and Outreach. We really value this partnership with CareerTrackers. It's been 13 years and it's so important for young First Nations people to have the opportunity to get presentation skills, having good communication skills, having the ability to remove your jitters and your nerves. And we're not trying to change their voice or change who they are. It's just to give them some tools that they can utilize when they're in a corporate environment with building a rapport or getting their objective or their messaging across with their work.
The workshop focuses more on how to communicate, how to present with confidence, which I think is such a valuable skill to have to start those important conversations within the workplace.
A big takeaway from me was the interview demonstrations. It was a really good experience to see what nerves look like from an outside perspective, and overly confident and that middle ground of just being your genuine self.
It was just so nice to be in a room with 100 deadly young Aboriginal people, and we just hope that what we provided about how we use our body and how we use our voice and how we build a rapport might help them in the future.